Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best periscope dryer vent in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Whirlpool 4396037RP Vent Periscope. The Whirlpool 4396037RP Vent Periscope is the perfect solution for all your venting needs. It is designed to fit all standard dryer models and is adjustable from 0 to 18 inches, to easily fit into a variety of venting applications. This vent periscope is made of durable metal and is designed to resist corrosion and rust, making it a reliable and long-lasting solution. It features a simple installation process with no extra tools required and can be installed quickly and easily. The periscope is also equipped with an airtight seal to keep out dust, dirt, and other debris. This product is perfect for anyone looking for a dependable and reliable venting solution. Pros: compatible with most standard dryers. Easy to install. Rust-resistant materials. Space-saving design. Prevents lint buildup. Cons: not compatible with all dryer models. Can be difficult to install in tight spaces. Not suitable for all venting requirements. Number 2. Our second best pick is Whirlpool 4396014 Vent Periscope. This Whirlpool 4396014 Vent Periscope is the perfect solution for those who need to vent their dryer, but don't have the space for a traditional vent system. This product easily adjusts from 29 inches to 50 inches high and is designed to fit most dryers. It features a corrosion-resistant aluminum construction, providing a sturdy and long-lasting vent system. The periscope design also allows you to easily adjust the direction of the vent, allowing you to vent your dryer in any direction. The included hardware even allows you to easily install the vent system in minutes. With the Whirlpool 4396014 Vent Periscope, you can easily and quickly vent your dryer and enjoy easy, hassle-free laundry days. Pros: easy to install. Can be used with a variety of dryers. Can be adjusted from a height of 29 to 50 inches. Blocks drafts to enhance energy efficiency. Cons: may require additional venting components. Not suitable for all dryer models. May require professional installation for certain dryer models. Number 3. Our third best pick is Whirlpool 8171587RP Dryer Exhaust Periscope Kit. The Whirlpool 8171587RP Dryer Exhaust Periscope Kit is the perfect solution for your dryer venting needs. This kit has everything you need to get the job done right. It includes a periscope that adjusts from 0 to 18 inches, a 4-inch aluminum elbow, 2 clamps and a 6-foot aluminum foil duct. This kit is designed to fit most standard dryers and is easy to install. The periscope adjusts to fit tight spaces and can be used in both vertical and horizontal orientations. This kit ensures that your dryer will be properly ventilated to keep your home safe and efficient. The durable materials used in this kit will stand up to the wear and tear of everyday use. Get your Whirlpool 8171587RP Dryer Exhaust Periscope Kit today and make sure your dryer is running properly. Pros: allows for flexible installation of dryer venting systems. Easy to install and use. Compatible with most standard dryers. Flexible and adjustable to accommodate different venting locations. Durable construction for long-term use. Cons. Limited compatibility with some dryer models. Not suitable for very tight spaces or long vent runs. May require additional parts for installation in some cases. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dundas Jafine UD48S Straight Outlet. The Dundas Jafine UD48S Straight Outlet is a great choice for a wide range of residential electrical installations. This outlet is designed for use with a wide range of wire sizes, from 12-2 AWG. The outlet offers a sleek, contemporary design that is sure to fit into any decor. The receptacle features a large, easy-to-grip screwless faceplate that makes installation a breeze. The outlet also features a durable, heat-resistant design, so it will last for years to come. The UL-listed outlet is perfect for any home, office, or commercial space. Get the Dundas Jafine UD48S Straight Outlet today and enjoy reliable electrical power. Pros. Easy to install. UL listed. Durable construction. Flame retardant. Cons. Not suitable for use in wet locations. Not suitable for use with aluminum wiring. No built-in surge protection. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Lambro 3005 Vent Tight Fit. The Lambro 3005 Vent Tight Fit 90-degree rectangular dryer duct is the perfect solution for dryer venting. It extends from 18 to 30 inches, allowing you to customize the length to fit your needs. This duct is made of 26-gauge aluminum, making it strong and durable. It is designed with a 90-degree rectangular shape to help reduce noise and turbulence, while also providing a snug fit for maximum airflow. It features a simple installation process and comes with all the necessary hardware for a secure connection. The Lambro 3005 Vent Tight Fit is the perfect way to ensure your dryer is venting properly and can help improve the efficiency of your dryer. Pros. Extends from 18 to 30 inches to fit most dryer duct lengths. 26-gauge aluminum construction is durable and long-lasting. Tight fit 90-degree rectangular shape allows for easy installation in tight spaces. Lambro 3005 Vent Tight Fit helps keep the dryer duct secure and prevents air leakage. Cons. Installation requires some knowledge of dryer vents. May not fit all dryer duct lengths. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.